person write a short note on expert witness. Ans. Expert witness. As a general rule, the opinion of witness on a question, whether of fact or of law, is irrelevant. A witness has to state the facts, which he has seen, heard or perceived, and not the conclusions, which he has formed on observing or perceiving them. The function of drawing inferences for the facts is a judicial function and must be performed by the court. To this general rule, however, there are some important exceptions when the subject matter of inquiry is such that inexperienced persons are unlikely of forming a correct judgment upon it. The opinions of persons having special knowledge of the subject matter of inquiry become relevant, for it is very difficult for the court to form a correct opinion on a matter of this kind, without the assistance of such persons. Section 45 of the Indian Evidence Act provides. When the court has to form an opinion upon a point of foreign law, or of science, or art, or as to identity of handwriting or finger impressions, the opinions upon that point, of persons specially skilled in such foreign law, science or art, or in questions as to identity of handwriting or finger impression are relevant facts. Such persons are called experts. Section. So, an expert is one who has acquired special knowledge, skill or experience in any science, art, trade or profession, practice, observation or careful studies may have acquired such knowledge. The opinion of an expert is never binding on a court. It is admitted in evidence only to help the court in arriving at a correct decision. In other words, evidence of expert cannot be taken as conclusive of fact. In considering the value of the evidence of an expert, it must be borne in mind that an expert witness, however impartial he may wish to be, unconsciously prejudiced in favor of the side which calls him. In State of Haryana v. Bhagirath and others, 1999, Criminal Law Journal 2898, SC, Supreme Court has held, opinion given by expert witness need not be the last word on the subject. Such opinion shall be tested by court, and if opinion is not of logic or objectivity, the court is not obliged to go by that opinion. Section 46 of Indian Evidence Act say facts not otherwise relevant are relevant if they support or are inconsistent with opinion of experts. When such opinion are relevant, then Section 47 says, when court has to form an opinion as to the person by whom any document was written or signed, opinion of any person acquainted with the handwriting of the person by whom it is supposed to be written or signed, that it was or was not written or signed by that person, is a relevant fact. Explanation. A person is said to be acquainted with the handwriting of another person when he has seen that person write, or when he received a document purporting to be written by that person in answer to document written by himself or under his authority addressed to that person, or when in ordinary course of business, document purported to be written by that person have been habitually submitted to him. The Section 48 of Act makes opinion relating to right or custom relevant by one who would be likely to know of its existence. Similarly, Section 49 makes opinion as to usage, tenets etc. relevant when expressed by one having special means of knowledge thereon. Then Section 50 says, when the court has to form an opinions to relationship of one person to another, opinion expressed by conducts to the existence of such relationship of any person who as a member of family or otherwise has special means of knowledge on the subject is a relevant fact. provided that such opinion shall not be sufficient to prove marriage in proceedings under Indian Divorce Act or in prosecution US 494,495,497 and 498 of IPC.